To change call vibration pattern on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can do so from the phone app and from the phone setting menu. First, from the phone app, to do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting, tap call alert and ringtone, tap call vibration, and then select the desired vibration pattern you like to use. Now your phone will vibrate with the selected pattern when you have calls. Second, from the phone setting menu, to do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Tap call vibration. And then select the desired vibration pattern you like to use. Now your phone will vibrate with the selected pattern when you have calls. As a note, this feature will work if you have set to enable vibrate while ringing feature, or when you set the sound mode on your phone to vibrate mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.